Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to make macro photos on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open camera on your phone, and then on this tab when you can see the modes, we would need to choose More, and here click on Pro. Here, as you can see, we got three options, which is UW, W, and T. We would need to switch to T, which is telephoto. And now we can make a macro photo. So let's test it. I have this cute flower right here and I'll aim my camera on it. Wait until it will focus, and also if you want, you can also zoom the camera like this so you can see more close and detailed photo. So let's focus on it and then make a photo. And now we can take a look on it. As you can see, the photo is really detailed and clear because of the telephoto mode. And this is it, how you make macro photos. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.